Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some holiday decor trends for 2025. If you're getting ready to start decorating for the holidays, looking for some new decorating ideas, or using items that you already have but kind of want to give them a new look this year, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, let's talk this year's biggest holiday decor trend. You're going to be seeing this everywhere this year, and that is the Ralph Lauren Christmas aesthetic. This is a very classic, chic Christmas look. So I think this is all stemming from last year's nostalgic classic red and green Christmas, but this year it's becoming a little bit more chic and elevated with a Ralph Lauren look. So this can be accomplished with a color palette of deep reds, burgundies, deep forest greens, those jewel tones, navy, and black. These colors are really rich, they're not as vibrant, but they're gonna give you that beautiful elevated holiday look. I think a Ralph Lauren Christmas is all about the plaids, but making sure that you don't mix too many plaids within the same room or else it starts to look very busy. One that definitely gives you the Ralph Lauren look is the Black Watch plaid that has navy and green in it. You can incorporate this plaid with tablecloths and ribbon and runners and throw blankets and pillows and stockings. So there's so many opportunities to bring in the plaid into your home, and I think it really makes your holiday decor pop. With materials, use rich fabrics like wool and satin and velvet. Bring in candlelight. Something to stay away from is the glitz and sparkle and glam of some Christmas decor. Instead, use polished brass, polished silver to really bring that shine and classic look to your home. I love that something so classic is trending because this is never going to go out of style. Your holiday photos will look incredible. Your home will look so elevated. It's such an exciting trend. So let me know down below in the comments what you think about Ralph Lauren Christmas. Now, something that's trending this year that's also part of that Ralph Lauren aesthetic is monochromatic gift wrapping. I love this idea. I've done it before and it just gives you a very chic look underneath your Christmas tree. I think that wrapping paper can absolutely be included in on a decor trend because it is something that kind of finishes off your Christmas tree and can add to the overall look of your living spaces. Now, this is all about wrapping boxes and not using gift bags. So it's all about the wrapping paper and ribbon matching. Definitely save as many boxes as you can before the holidays so you have a ton of boxes to work with for gift wrapping. You can go with a very simple solid wrapping paper or a wrapping paper with a subtle pattern. Pick a monochromatic look that's going to work with your space and it's going to instantly elevate your holiday decor. Now, the color palette that's trending for this year's holiday decor is those deep jewel tones. So navy and dark green and burgundy and deep red. So if you already have a bright holiday color scheme with your existing ornaments, add in that depth this year with those deep jewel tones. So that can just be darker colored ribbon or adding in those darker colors for your ornaments. And if you're using any of the holiday berries, you can go with the burgundy instead of the bright red. So you don't have to go all in with this year's holiday color palette. You can add it in small ways around your home to achieve that trending look. Now, a fun holiday decor trend that I want to hop on board with this year is backyard holiday decor. It's a fun idea to actually brighten up your backyard with holiday lighting, candlelight, maybe a cozy fire pit area, and decorate it for the holidays as well. We always decorate the front of our house, but we never decorate the back, and that's the area that we actually see the most out the windows. So it's always fun to take advantage of the views that you have and the backyard that you have and create an outdoor holiday area. Now, a big trend last year that's still trending this year is statement bows and bows in general. Bows during the holiday are probably the easiest thing to decorate your home with. If you just have a roll of ribbon, you can make your home look holiday ready just by tying bows on anything. I love tying bows all over our Christmas tree, on our garland, on any kind of wall sconce or lamp around our home. It really ties together the entire space and allows you to create a color palette and a really cohesive look with the material choice. Tie bows on your dinner table, maybe wrapping your cutlery in a little bow. There's so many ways to incorporate bows, and it definitely is that must-have decor piece for this year as well. Now, the vintage nostalgic Christmas is definitely trending this year as well, and I think it's such an easy thing to incorporate in your home if you thrift your decor. Every time I go to the thrift store, I find vintage and classic and nostalgic holiday decor that I love to add on our Christmas tree. I've even thrifted some really cute vintage Santa Clauses that I like to add on our shelving. Those touches just bring us back to our childhood and make our space feel so magical on a major budget. So definitely check out the thrift stores first if you want to achieve that classic, nostalgic, vintage look for the holidays. Now, as for trending metal, I think mixed metals is really trending this year for holiday decor. So incorporating silver and gold around your home, they are both very classic and definitely work with those deep jewel tones and all of the other trending materials this year, so they will look perfect in your home. I love that it adds that collected look. The silver kind of gives you that shine, the gold adds some warmth, and they actually pair very nicely together. So think about mixing your metals when it comes to your tablescape and candlestick holders and Christmas tree decor. There's so many ways to incorporate mixed metals around your home to really give you a full collected look. Now, if you're hosting a dinner for the holidays this year, or you just want to create a really beautiful tablescape on your dining room table, one trend that I'm seeing with table decor is full-length tablecloths. So make sure your tablecloth runs all the way to the floor. It can even be billowing past that as well for a really elegant look. I'm also noticing ruched tablecloths and a lot of texture and pinches to really add depth and movement instead of it all looking very flat and square. You can create a ton of texture and movement all with your tablecloth. I think this adds so much more drama to your dining table. It also kind of makes it look a little less busy because it blocks the legs of your dining table and just creates this simple elegance. Make sure that you measure and then size up when ordering a tablecloth or finding a tablecloth so you can end up with that beautiful billowing look. And lastly, incorporate velvet and satin all throughout your home for a trending but classic look. I always do this with the ribbon and bows around my home, but you can also do this with your Christmas tree ornaments as well. I find that velvet ornaments just look so soft and classic on the Christmas tree. You can find these on Amazon, in your craft stores. I found some of my favorite ones at Hobby Lobby and Michael's, so definitely check out the holiday decor stores right now if you're looking for some classic velvet ornaments. You can also incorporate velvet and satin with your gift wrapping, your stockings, your pillows. There's so many ways to incorporate these materials around your home, but if you do, you're gonna get a beautiful, classic, trending look. All right, so that's it for this year's holiday decor trends. Let me know down below in the comments if you're gonna be incorporating any of these trends in your home this year. I definitely am, but I think it's really fun to change up your decor every year. Even if you're using the same items, you can style items in new ways and give your home a fresh new look every single year. It's so exciting. So we're gonna be decorating for the holidays very soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss those upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!